Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing anger from inside out. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top in the center, and let's draw an angled line up and out for the top of the left eye. And then for the right one, we're going to curve it up and over like this. Now let's add the eyes underneath. Let's draw a curve over and back up underneath the left eye. And the same thing underneath the right eye. Next, inside, let's draw a circular curve at the top and a larger one on the right. Then on the left, let's draw another half circle and then a full circle on the right side. And then color both of the pupils in black. Lastly, let's hop on top of each eye and let's draw an angle up on the left and a curve on the right. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small line across. Then let's curve it up and back down on the left. And the same thing on the right, but we're going to make it a little bit lower down. And then connect them at the bottom with a curved line across. Now let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw a line down in the center. Then let's bring it out and up on both sides. And then 2 more teeth on both sides for the top row. And then for the bottom row, underneath each of the vertical lines, let's draw a curve down. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line down like this. And the same on the top right. And then connect them at the top with a curve across. Next, underneath on both sides, let's curve it out slightly and then bring it in, stopping here. And then close off the gap with a V shape underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. From the sides, let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back up for the collar of the shirt. Now let's add the tie. Let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve across. Then angles down underneath. And then a line across. Now on top on the left, let's draw 2 curves over. And the same on the right. Now for the bottom part of the tie, let's draw a set of angles down. And then a V-shaped point underneath. And that's it for the tie. Now let's move to the outsides and let's draw a curve down for the sides of the shirt. And now underneath, let's add the belt. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve in on both sides. Now let's move back out and let's draw a line down on both sides. And then curve it in again underneath. Now let's move inside and add the details on the belt. Inside at the ends, let's draw a line down on both sides. Then inside the left side, let's draw another rectangle shape. Then a circle. And a line down next to the tie. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw two rectangle shapes. And then a curve down in between. And that's it for the belt. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. We'll step in slightly from the end and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. And then curve it back in towards the center. Now underneath in the middle, let's draw a line down. Now let's hop back out to the sides and let's draw a bent line down on both bottom corners. And then a wavy line back to the center for the bottom of each pant leg. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw a small angle down. And then curve it back up and in. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now from the outside, let's draw another angle down. And then curve it back in. And then another angle back up. Now let's move underneath and draw the hands. On the inside, let's draw a small line down. And then a curved rectangle shape underneath for the thumb like this. Now underneath the thumb, let's draw another angle down. Curve it out. And then a curve to close off each hand. And lastly, inside each hand, let's draw one more small curve under the thumb. And that's it for anger. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!